Melanie, you work for Mitsubishi UK. Who are they and what do they do?
Yeah, I've been with the company like 32 years now. Worked in all the departments within there. We are an engineering company. Obviously, we're always trying to advance and a global company as that. So we're always trying to grow in different directions. And marketing for us obviously is the pinnacle of what we're looking to do and promote on a day-to-day basis.
Okay, so what sort of marketing does Mitsubishi UK do?
We try and enhance every area that we do at the moment. Obviously, we've got social media, we have hard copies, or we have digital information as well. It's time for us to enhance that, to bring it into the new generation, really, we have AI, and everything like that. So we need to enhance that now and utilise it for us.
So you've been working for the company for quite a long time. So marketing a few years ago was quite restricted, wasn't it? So
yeah.
There wasn't much of it.
Very old school. It's all like, hard copies, literature. So now we're trying to go paperless. For the sustainability is a strong factor for us. So we're trying to promote paperless or digital information, but it is trying to get your customers to embrace that at the same time. Which is why we're trying to enhance it with our AI system, because we're just having some more training put in, and we're also trying to hit more social media platforms. We've got a very limited range currently, so we're going to try and hit all of them to try and amplify our coverage for our branding and awareness, really, for everybody.
100%, because trying to go paperless is such a big job, and everybody's on social media, aren't they? So in terms of social media in days like today, how good is that for marketing?
This is an awesome opportunity for today. The build up to the event and then the exit of the event, it builds our branding awareness, enhances everything for us, and it just shows our customers what our solution options are, which is what we're trying to hit. Our recycling process, things like that. If you attend these kind of events, it gives you a good insight of our tooling range, our areas of expertise. Great opportunities for us, it's just exceptional.
I think you hit the nail on the head there, where you're trying to recycle things, thinking about the planet as well as the company.
Absolutely, yes,
it's such a big thing in 2025. Looking towards the future with Mitsubishi UK, where do you see the marketing going?
For Mitsubishi Materials, obviously, we are just going to amplify and get bigger and bigger and bigger. We're going to try and cover every platform we possibly can do, every AI opportunity that we can do, to catch as much attention to it, so we can amplify the quality of our products, to show what solutions we can give people. It's not just about selling the product, it's offering the solutions to the customer. And if we can do through that marketing, people can actually see what we can offer, and that will just amplify itself naturally. It'll just be organic continuously.